Hello everyone, welcome back to Fit and Fine. In today's video, we are going to learn about linear equation in two variables. So let's get started. So first of all, we should know what is linear equation in two variables. So any equation which can be expressed in this form, which is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, is called a linear equation in two variables. In this equation, a, b and c real numbers where a and b can't be 0, and x and y are variables which we have to find the value of. So to get started, let us solve a higher order thinking skills question at the first. So we have this question: 141x plus 103y is equal to 217, and they have given another equation which is 103x plus 141y is equal to 27. As you can see, a pattern which is the first coefficient of x has come to the y and the first coefficient of y has come to the x. So in such a question, we have to subtract the values, and in this equation we have to subtract it from this equation. So what we would get is 38x minus 38y equal to 190, and what we can do now is take the 38 common, so we would get 38 and inside bracket x minus y is equal to 190. So here what we can do is we can take the x minus y in the LHS and take the 38 to the denominator of the RHS. So 190 divided by 38 is 5. So we have found one equation that x minus y is equal to 5. So you can put this value. So from this equation we can derive the value of x in terms of y. So x minus y equal to 5. So if we take the y to the RHS, we would get x equals to 5 plus y. So this value of x, that is 5 plus y, can be put in the previous equation, which was 141x plus 103y is equal to 217. So what we would get is 141 in bracket 5 plus y and plus 103y. So it's the whole thing is equal to 217. So if we split the brackets, we would get something like 705 plus 141y plus 103y is equal to 217. And since the coefficient have a y in common, we can add the two terms and we would get 705 plus 244y is equal to 217. So in this case, we have to separate the y term in the LHS and take all other constant terms to the RHS. So we can take the 705 to the RHS and we would get 244y is equal to 217 minus 705, and the value would be 244y is equal to minus 488, and y would be equal to minus 488 upon 244. So y we would get value as minus 2. And in the previous equation we just found out x minus y equal to 5. So since y's value is minus 2, x minus of minus 2 is equal to 5, which means x plus 2 is equal to 5 and x equals to 3. So henceforth we have found both the values of x and y. So to get more of practice, homework question is 55x plus 51y is equal to 217 and 51x plus 55y is equal to 217. Find the values of x and y. Thank you for watching. In the next video we will be back with the solution. Make sure to check it out.